Okay guys, so we made along here, just couldn't make the video start. So Nasdaq is going long here. As you can see, it all started here. Let's see, it all started here. You see all this visual imbalance to the upside correlation dots, and we are above the 15-minute. As you can see, the two ATRs are pushing higher, and well, it was a no-brainer. If you got stuck in the morning without that incredibly high speed trading in the morning, it's nonsense, guys. This is it's very difficult to make money that way. If the market is not like a human pace type of trading, it's very complicated for you to really make money, because you never know what the market will do. I know it's you can see a strong market, pushing, but you don't know where all of that is gonna end. So you can go short, and the market can reverse in your face and stop you out. Okay, so if you're trading for a profit or something like that, you cannot do that. You need to wait for the correct moment. Okay, so that way you can make a good trade. You see the market right now is pushing. We see I got in because I see an imbalance here. It's at more than 1,400 contracts, and you see in the micro it's 2,300 contracts long. So it's overwhelming the buyers. Okay, so you can see the buyers just pushing slowly but steady. Okay, this is what you need to wait, guys. You need to wait for this type of trading. Okay, this is the type of environment that's gonna put you on your path to being profitable, and making money and living out of trading. This is the way to trade. This is the way to trade. This is the main instrument, the Nasdaq. Everything follows the Nasdaq. You just need to wait for the patterns. So when the market is trading slowly, so you can get your profit. Okay, guys, almost there. Okay, got the first up. See buyers in the tape. Okay, guys, I'm gonna exit. It's okay. Over 500 bucks here. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. Okay, so I will be happy to send you information. The system works very well, guys. If you don't know how to trade, you will learn how to trade with this system, but you need to put a effort in trading. You need to understand what the market is telling you. Why are you gonna trade all that market that moves like crazy? You're not a high frequency trader. You're a human being. Okay, so you don't need to mimic those guys. It's illogical what they do. It just goes 100 ticks up and 300 ticks down. And even if the market is trending to the downside or to the upside, if the market is too strong, it's very difficult. You still, even though if the market is trending, you can lose. Okay, so just you need to have time to trade. To watch for the market if it's doing a human pace like type of
Long
trading.
signal and Q.
Okay, so you can trade it, and just don't over trade, guys. Just 1 or 2 trades a day is more than enough. There's nothing more to do. Okay, so for example, if you're copying trades, okay, so you can go to the micro. Okay, so the ES, and if you win, if for example you have 5 accounts, okay, 50K accounts, and you copy the 5 accounts with 2 micros. Okay, you can do $50. It's 250 bucks copied. Okay, so You need to, there's many ways to make a lot of money, guys, but you know, the systems are, we know with all these companies that let you copy trades and everything. So you need to think. Okay, so don't expose yourself. I trade the big lots because I have big accounts. Okay, so but if you have small accounts and you're trying to learn, you know, go slowly, slowly. Time will catch you, guys. Time will catch you. Okay, no matter if if you make a, you know, a combine or something, and you try to win a lot of money to pass the combines. If you fail on the third day, fourth day, okay, time will go by, and you say, damn, this is 30 days has gone, 60 days has gone since I started the combine. So if I would have gone, you know, slowly, I would have been, you know, funded. So just think about that, okay? So it's something that you need to achieve. You know, try making it positive here this January. If you failed all the past year, you know, try to improve yourself. Don't repeat what you did wrong, because it's gonna be, you're gonna be in a washing machine cycle. So don't do that. Just get out of there. If you don't have, if you have indicators in your system that don't work, you use them all the past year and the year before, and you never made a penny, you never made something, delete that garbage. Delete that garbage because it doesn't work. Let that go out of your computer. You just stick with something that works. Stick with something that you say, yes, this thing really gives
Brick
me an
setup.
edge, and I can make 50, 80, $100 a day. If I can make 50 and I copy 5 accounts, it's $250 a day. Think about it, guys. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and have a blessed weekend, and happy new year to everybody, guys. I forgot to tell everybody happy new year, the video before. Okay, so I hope everything goes well with you. I got with you all, guys. Okay, so uh, I hope the best to you all, guys, and trade small, and it will grow bigger and bigger. Okay, so yeah, at least if you get at the end of the month, you know, positive with money in your bank, it's in your accounts, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Okay, guys, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching.